Hello everyone, Brandon here with Enduro E-Bikes Canada, and today we're doing initial impressions on our 1500 watt Enduro e-bike. This is a base model bike with bare bones options. The only additional item on this bike is a road legal switch to switch the bike in between a restricted 500 watt 32 km/h max top speed and the fully unlocked unlimited speed settings. This bike features the KKE rear suspension fork, as well as our Zoom front forks and our A to B factory equipped braking system. It has a 22.4 amp hour battery inside, as well as a 40 amp hour sine wave controller. The wheels equipped on this bike are the 26-inch bicycle wheels. If you're ever looking for tires or spokes for a bike like this, it's very easy to find because 26-inch bicycle tires are readily available at any local bike shop. Without wasting any more of your guys' time, let's hop on this thing and see how it rides. So we have the pedal assist in mode number 5 right now, and you can see it's very torquey. It adds full pedal assist input when I pedal, and we can turn that down via the little menu button here on the handlebar. Now I'm in mode number 1 and it's very hard to pedal. I'm also in the highest gear, so that never helped either. Okay, so now that we're on more of a flat surface here, we do have a pedestrian here. Let me shift through the gears here and show you guys how that works. So this bike here is equipped with our 7-speed rear gearbox, which if I turn off the pedal assist for a moment, you can see the number is now 0. With no pedal assist at all from the motor, I'm still able to pedal this bike. Whereas if you've had one of our 12,000 watt bikes, you would know that it's very difficult to pedal home if your battery should die. And to shift up through the gears, let's see what the top speed is on it. So about 52 km/h top speed on this bike. Let's see how these stock brakes do. More than enough stopping power for a bike like this. Let's test out these suspension forks and see how they handle the terrain. These front forks are a little bit on the springy side, but they do get the job done. Owning an Enduro e-bike sure makes commuting a lot of fun. You can bypass any traffic, ride the park trail straight through town, and get to work even faster than a normal car. The 26-inch bicycle tires are alright. They're a little narrow compared to the 19-inch moto wheels, but very similar in size. They definitely provide ample traction for gravel surfaces like this. And to be 100% honest, this base model 1500 watt bike is more than enough power that anyone's gonna need for a regular commuter. If you're really wanting speed and you really want to go fast, then the 12,000 watt Enduro e-bike is going to be perfect for you. But if all you really need is just to get around commuting, the lightweight, agile 1500 watt bike is going to be the perfect combination. One thing to keep in mind is that the 12,000 watt bike weighs a lot. Like, it's a very heavy bike, whereas this one's very light. It's more like an actual mountain bike on steroids rather than a motocross or street bike like the 12,000 watt. So the estimated range on this bike is about 50 kilometers, with the top speed being 50 kilometers as well. We can see here this trip so far has been 33.7 kilometers, and we're at about 25% battery left. A dead battery on this bike is about 40 volts, so I'd say that range estimate is definitely more than fair. If you have the money for it, the D&M front forks are a definite must-have upgrade option, as they handle and perform a lot better than the Zoom forks. The Zoom forks get the job done, but they're super springy, so when you're hitting bumps and stuff, it doesn't dampen it nearly as much as the D&M fork does. As always, all our bikes come with a 1-year warranty, unlimited mileage, and our lifetime hassle-free product and tech support. Should you have any questions or concerns about your bike, you can simply reach out to a technician that's assigned to you when you buy your bike via WhatsApp. They can help troubleshoot any issues you're having with your bike over live video or with instructional tutorial videos that we've already pre-recorded for you. Woo! That was sure one hell of a ride. This 1500 watt bike offers more than enough power for a regular commuter. If you guys have any questions about the bikes, make sure to head over to enduroebikes.ca and head over to the contact page to send one of our sales representatives a message. You can build and price your custom bike on the e-bikes tab by heading to the big yellow button at the top of the page that says custom build your e-bike here. This was Brandon with Enduro E-Bikes Canada. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos, and we'll see you in the next one.